Hello, you come across this type of question in your post-UTME examination or your JAMB examination or any examination you are sitting for, be it's WAEC or NECO or GCE, and you come across this type of question, how will you solve it? It is extremely very easy. Now let's solve together. Okay. Now they say, which of the following is a double salt? Which of the following is a double salt? Now, when answering this particular question, you must first know that what is a salt? A salt or ionic compound. A salt is also regarded to be an ionic compound because an ionic compound comprises of both metals and non-metals, and metals indicates a positive charge ion, and non-metal indicates a negative charge ion, as well as a salt. A salt is simply, or an ionic compound is simply the chemical compound as consisting the assembly of both the negative charge ion or the positive charge ion, which results to the compound that has no net charge. Okay, that should be noted. Now, what is a double salt? A double salt is a compound that comprises of two cation and one anion. That should be noted, and it should be noted that an anion is a negative ion while a cation is a positive ion. It differs from what is called the anode and cathode. Okay, an anion differs from a cathode and anode. Okay, anion is a negative ion while cation is a positive ion. For anode is a positive electrode, while for cathode is a negative electrode. That should be noted. Don't misplace it. Okay. Now, a double salt comprises of two cation and one anion. Now, a typical example of a double salt is simply aluminium potassium tetrasulfate 6 dodecahydrate. A typical example of a double salt is aluminium potassium tetrasulfate 6 dodecahydrate. Okay, why did I say this particular compound is a double salt? Now watch closely. Okay, now when this particular compound dissociates, is going to give me potassium plus, because potassium is indicating a plus sign, a positive sign. Okay, and potassium is regarded to be a metal. That should be noted. Okay, now why did I know that potassium is a metal? We have a simple trick in identifying a metals, non-metals, and an amorphous metal. Now this is a trick. Okay, you have a table like this. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, 6, 7. You have non-metals indicating a negative sign. You have metals indicating a positive sign, and you have an amorphous metal indicating a plus or minus sign. Amorphous metal, okay, indicating a positive or negative sign. Now, for potassium is with the electronic configuration of 2881. Okay, now in the outermost of valence shell, potassium is having a remains of 1 electron. So where did one falls? When one falls under metal, you can see one falls under metal. That's why potassium is regarded to be a metal, indicating a positive or a plus sign. Okay, that should be noted. Now, when aluminium also dissociates, you're going to give aluminium 3 plus. You can see aluminium 3 plus, aluminium 3 plus, okay, because aluminum also is also a metals. Now the gem and the electronic configuration of aluminum is 2 8 3 with a remains of 3 electrons in the valence shell or the outermost shell. Now when you flip 3 falls, 3 also falls under metal, so aluminum is also regarded to be a metals. Now for status of 6 is a radical, okay, it's a negative, it's having a negative sign. So when SO4 dissociate, is going to be SO4 2 minus. You can see this is an anion and this 2 is a cation, cations, you can see, and this is an anion, you can see, with a negative sign. You can see it is very and very easy. Okay, this particular compound is a double salt. Now this answer is the correct answer. For option B is an acid salt, because an acid salt is the one that contains a positive metallic ion, an hydrogen ion, and a negative acid radical. Okay, you can see potassium is a metal, indicating a plus sign, plus an hydrogen ion, okay, plus a negative acid radical, which is SO4 2 minus. You can see SO4 2 minus. So this option B is a metals. Now moving on to option C, this is a normal salt. A normal salt always indicates a positive metallic ion and a negative acid radical. You can see this is a positive metallic ion. A sodium is a positive metallic ion with the electronic configuration of 281. When it's one false others metal also, you can see. So sodium is also a metals. So a positive metallic ion is sodium plus a negative acid radical, SO2 minus. You can see it is very easy. Now for option D is a basic salt. Okay, it's a basic salt because a basic salt only comprises of a positive metallic ion, it is zinc 2 plus, okay, an hydroxide ion, this is an hydroxide ion, you can see, plus a negative ion, you can see, Cl minus. You can see it's very easy. I think this particular version, the videos lesson is very helpful and it's very interesting. Okay, do want to subscribe to this channel and like this video, share to your loved ones and comment. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.